In this video, we are going to learn to make some vibrant watercolor backgrounds using a flat paintbrush. You can use these watercolor backgrounds for calligraphy, lettering, doodling, and even for mandalas.
Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I am a content creator, an art educator, and a small business owner. I make videos on art, calligraphy, mandala, digital art, DIYs, and much more. So, if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video.